Before you start investing in the stock market, kailangan munang meron kayong isang account sa isang web broker kagaya ng COL Financial. And also, kailangan aral muna bago kayo mag-invest. So, yung i-recommend ko is yung COL Financial. Iyon po yung ginagamit kong web broker sa pag-i-invest ko online. Kung gusto ninyong mag-open ng account ninyo, punta lang kayo sa COL Financial website and then click Open Account. Makikita ninyo dito yung mga requirements. Importante yung TIN number. Dapat meron kayo nito bago kayo mag-apply. Saka isang valid government ID. Saka ang pag-apply ngayon, pwede ninyong gagawin through online, through your cell phone. So, yung pag-fund ng account, you can do it online, bills payment, bank transfer, like sa akin, BDO, trina-transfer ko lang through online. Yung COL Financial, magsasend sila sa email ninyo for your username and password. At ito po ang gagawin ninyo, panoorin ninyo yung next
Input this information in the login entry form of our website to access your COL account. After logging in, the first thing you will have to do is to update your personal account information to see if all your details are correct. Click on the Change Profile button in your Home tab and review all of your information. Modify your details if there are any changes to be made to your profile. Don't forget to double-check your email address, as most of our important updates and company announcements will be sent to you via email. If everything is in order, we recommend that you change your password to ensure the security of your account. Click on the Edit button beside the password field in the Change Profile setting and input the default password that was provided to you. Type in a new password twice to finalize the change. Having numerical values in your password can make it more secure. Once you are done, click the Change Password button. This will log you out of your COL account so that you can re-log in using your new password. Let's review the Trade tab in your navigation bar. Now that you've properly assessed the stocks that you would like to invest in, it's time to execute a trade. Under the Enter Order option, you will be asked to fill out the order details of the trade that you would like to make. Indicate whether you would like to buy shares of a stock or sell your existing shares. We recommend that you follow the minimum board lot rule as explained earlier, so for this example, we will maintain the default option to buy or sell shares under the main board. Next, input the stock code that you would like to trade. If you are not familiar with stock codes, click on the Stock Code button to bring up the stock list for you to choose from. A quote summary will appear to show you the exact price that the stock is currently trading at. Now input the number of shares you would like to buy and at what price. Once all the fields are complete, the system will automatically calculate the net amount that you will be spending to invest in that stock. Click Preview Order to see your order details, enter your password, and click Place Order Buy or Sell to confirm your transaction. It's that easy. Now that you've entered your order, you want to double check whether the transaction was done or a buyer or seller matched the price that you were asking for. You can do so under the View Modify Order option. Our example order is still listed here as you can see, which means that the transaction has not yet been matched. Here you can change the number of shares that you wish to purchase by clicking on Change. Or if you would like to simply cancel the order and make a new one, click Cancel and confirm with your password. For our example, we'll cancel this order and make a new one with a price that matches the lowest price in the Ask column. That way, we'll be able to immediately purchase shares and invest in the company that we like. If you don't see your order under the View Modify tab, then that means your trade was fully executed. To double check the transaction, go to Trading History and click on the completed trades for the day. Your transaction should appear under this option. Finally, let's take a look at your portfolio. Here you will see your cash balance, which you can use to buy stock shares, all the current stocks of which you are a shareholder of, the current market price, the average cost that you spent per share, and the total amount of shares that you own. The uncommitted shares simply indicate the number of shares in your portfolio that are not already committed to be sold in an existing order you have placed. You may also view the current market value of your shares and the gain-loss values and percentage of those stocks. Please take note that these are net amounts and figures. If you would like to see a detailed summary of your executed trades and portfolio activity, you can view your current or historical monthly account ledger up to 1 year. We make sure to keep a record of the transactions of our COL customers available for your reference 24 hours a day.
Sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito kung paano mag-open ng COL Financial account, how to buy and sell your stocks, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much sa panonood and have a nice day.